Energy is invisible and eternal. And you are a big part of that. And I'm going to prove it to you. Stay tuned. Welcome to the final part of our energy series. Energy is eternal. Today we're going to dive into one of the most fascinating aspects of energy, its eternal nature. Not only does energy never die, but it's also a fundamental part of us. That means the energy within you is eternal too. Let's explore what that really means in simple terms. Now you're probably wondering, what makes energy eternal? Great question. Let's start with something very basic from science. It's not going to be that hard. It's a law that is immutable, meaning it is one of the laws of the universe that cannot be changed, like the law of gravity. The basic immutable law is this: energy cannot be created or destroyed. Instead, it moves and changes form. Think about this. When you light a candle, the wax turns into heat and light. Both of those are forms of energy. The candle isn't gone, it just transforms into something else. And there are all types of energies. Notice all of the different forms that exist. There are all types of kinetic energy, all types of potential energy, and these energies are experienced in different ways. The same is true for all energy around us, including the energy inside of us. It's like a never-ending cycle, always flowing, always transforming. Now, let's talk about the energy running through you right now. Your body is very powerful, a powerhouse indeed. Your heart pumps blood using electrical energy. You've probably seen people in the hospital and there's an EKG machine, and that's just short for electrocardiogram. That is measuring the electrical activity of the heart. The electricity is invisible, but the machine can measure the frequencies. Your muscles, they move thanks to chemical energy. And where do you get that energy from? From the food you eat. The food energy is transformed into another form of energy once it passes through the digestive process in your body. And we know that calories are the energies that we're measuring when we eat food. Now, even your thoughts and emotions have energy as electrical signals in your brain. By the way, an EEG is what they use to measure the electrical activity of the brain. Now, this energy is what keeps you alive and connected to the world. But here's the amazingly good news, amazing news, really. When your body stops working one day, and it will for all of us, that energy doesn't just disappear, it transforms just like the candle. The physical body will cease to function, but the energy that was connected to that body is eternal. That's why you hear many people say things like, oh, so and so passed away and they made their transition. Or so and so's gone on to glory. And there's other similar expressions that essentially mean that their energy has moved on. Now, how is human energy eternal? Well, let's think of it this way. You are made of energy that has existed since the beginning of time. That energy flows through your body, powering your cells, connecting you to everything around you. When you no longer need your physical body, that energy continues. It becomes part of the greater flow of life. Whether you see this through a scientific lens, like molecules returning to the earth, or a spiritual lens, like the soul joining or continuing its journey, regardless of how you look at it, here is the core truth that remains the same throughout. Energy never dies. And more importantly, neither does the energy that makes you you. Now, what can we do with this knowledge? Well, here are a few simple ways to connect with and honor the energy within you. Breathe deeply. Take a belly breath deep into your belly. Your breath is energy in motion. Feel it as it flows in and out and through you. Stay active. Movement is medicine. Movement helps energy flow more freely in your body. Also, spread kindness. When you share your love and your positivity, you create an energy that ripples outward and you can inspire others. If you've enjoyed this series, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts on or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and how you connect with your energy. Let me know. So as we wrap up, remember that energy connects everything, our thoughts, our bodies, and even the universe itself. Your energy is part of that eternal flow. It's powerful. It's infinite. And it's uniquely you. Yes, you are a miracle. And as my shirt says, don't wait for a miracle. Your whole life is a miracle. Compliments of Albert Einstein. Here's a link to the other 2 videos in the energy series. And I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this series has inspired you to see the world and yourself in a whole new light, which is also energy. Remember, you're not just living with energy. You are energy. And that energy is eternal. Until next time, stay inspired and keep shining your light. Blessings to you. And thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, tap that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I post new content.